Hi everyone, I'm bringing you on my channel most affordable items. Cheap, some of them they are cheap, very cheap, that is not recommendable, but some of them are cheap but of reasonable quality and recommendable. So this one is an Amtech powered screwdriver, and it came in this indestructible press fit plastic that I took a liberty to bring everything out and then show you the plastic and whatever that is written inside. It's very simple, and here is the specification that some of you may need it. And it has 180 revolution per minute, and the output torque is 3 Nm, and the battery is 9 mAh, 3.6 volt, and the charging is 3 to 5 hours. And it came also with this instruction manual. That in this strong instruction manual it says, do not leave it in charge for more than 5 to 6 hours. I assume you are going to damage the battery inside, and you can use this without the need of that instruction manual because it's so simple. It came with this power brick or charger that is 5 volts, 230 milliamp hour, and with some screw bits, extension, Phillips screw bits that they are of reasonable quality, and then some flathead and one tiny screw bits, and these two that they are square heads. I guess these are going to be useful in the future. And then on the unit you have just the forward and reverse button, and then charging indicator. When you are charging this, you cannot use it. It has a strap here, no LED lights or anything else, and this strap is absolutely useless. I don't know who can use this because even my fingers cannot go in there. What is the usage of this? I don't know. Anyhow, so we are going to show you, I'm going to show you the torque of this unit. It has 180 revolution per minute. You cannot hold it with your hand, but with this you can. And this is just to show you the torque, which is not much, but again is reasonable, and the build quality of this, it looks solid, durable, and reasonably good. And then I have took some pictures from inside this unit for those that they would like to upgrade this. I turn these lights off in order to show you this. So the inside of the unit it looks like this, and it has 3 1.2 volt 9 mAh batteries, and I guess is upgradable. And if you look here, I put a battery, 18650 battery inside, to see if you can upgrade this in the future if the batteries are dead totally. But you can maybe by removing some of these brackets or whatever that you can see there, maybe you can create a little bit more space to use 2 batteries in there, but I think that is pushing it. But for the time being, this one is upgradable and it has enough space for 18650 battery. So that is going to be it, really. A short video about this Amtech electric screwdriver, and I recommend this. The price of this is under £12, and then if you are willing to spend £5 more, you can buy the one that it has a battery indicator and an LED here. So we are not using those as much for £5, you know, but I understand for some people even £5 is too much, and this one is pretty much reasonable and is going to do what you want it to do. And I hope you like my video. I recommend this, and maybe in the future, if I have any problem with this unit, I come back and show you what I had difficulty with. Anyhow, until my next video, take care of yourself and each other and have a great time.